Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can open a PDF on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up any browser you have on your PC and then log into your account by opening AOL Mail. Then what you need to do is search for some mail which has attachments. So mostly you want the PDF attachment, so you can click this link over here or any link and you can see the PDF options over here. So these are the PDF. If you want to open it or download it, just go ahead and tap on it and you can see this will be opened if you click on open file. So this is the PDF file which is opening on AOL. So if you want to compose and attach a file with PDF, you can do that as well. So you can just go ahead and attach it, and you can edit it by going over here and downloading it, editing it, and you can paste it over here on the AOL Mail again and send it. So guys, this is how you open a PDF file on AOL Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.